Hello everyone, my name is Abubakar Salim and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about variables in Scratch. So basically, variables are memory locations that can store data. You can see in every game, there are different data that you can represent, that you can see. For example, score, lives. So these are the data that is being displayed on the screen, and those datas are being stored in variables. So whenever you want to add a variable in your Scratch project, you can do it. And for that, you can select this option from code snippet variables option. And by selecting this option, you have the option to make a variable, or you can use this variable, my variable. So right now, uh, first of all, let me add this when flag clicked event in my project, in my code. Then I'll be setting a variable, my variable, and I'll be renaming my variable to score. Okay. You can name your variable whatever you want. I'm naming it score, and I want this variable to be displayed on my stage. So when I do this, I can see the score on the top left corner of the stage. And I have selected the command set score to 0. So whenever I click on this button, the score will be changed to 0. Whatever the score is, it will be changed to 0. If I do this, if I want to change the score to 10, now when I will click on this flag button, the score will change to 10. Okay, you can see that change here. So this is how you can set the score. Similarly, you can change the score by 1. So whenever I click on the flag button, the score should change by 1. So the value of the score will increase by 1 whenever I click on this flag button. So you can see I clicked on this flag button, the score changed from 0 to 1. Now when I will click on this button, the score will change from 1 to 2. So the number of times I will be clicking on this button, the score is changing. So you can change the value of your variable by this option. Then there is an option to show variable. When click, the variable will be displayed. This could be done by this check button, or you can do this by this command. And this is to hide the variable. So now when I will click, the score variable will be hide from the screen. So that's it for the variables. We'll learn more about variables when we'll be dealing with the projects. And in the upcoming videos, we'll be discussing some different projects in Scratch. So I hope that you are enjoying this series. And if you have any question related to any video, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are liking my work, please click on that thumbs up button, and please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, by the way. Thank you so much.